Welcome to Nepal. We're in the Mustang Valley for our Kundalini Kriya for mental focus and clarity. This is going to be a 10+ minute meditation. We have Dhaulagiri, the 7th tallest peak in the world, and we are going to transform mentally. Meet me in an easy pose. So just sitting, resting position, whatever is comfortable for you. So that might be sitting on a pillow, that might be in a chair, whatever it is okay. What I want you to do is take the tension out of your hips, out of the shoulders, and for the next 30 seconds, we're just going to reconnect our breath, nice and relaxed. Deepen our inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale out. Deep inhale, exhale out. Deep inhale, exhale out. And just connect to your breath as I explain what we're going to be doing. So we have a powerful Kundalini Kriya meditation for mental control and focus. And what this does is really extending yourself out to the universe. And this one's it's for the reactive mind, the obsessive mind. We have in this world thoughts that just come and go, and it's nonstop. So this specific Kriya and what we're going to be doing is to control that, dissipate that, and to refocus our mental energy so we can have more clarity and balance internally. So what we're going to be doing, I'm going to explain right now. We're going to be sitting in this position, easy pose or whatever's comfortable for you. Our sit bones rooted in the earth. Our spine is straight. Top of the head, our crown chakra to the heavens. We have a slight neck lock, so slightly tucking the chin down, giving some more expansion in the spine, and our eyes are going to be closed. We have our right arm over the left, and it's going to be at the height of the throat. So this builds nerves of steel by holding this position and locking it in very tight. So make sure we are staying strong in the posture. I'll coach you through it. So before we start, we tune in, as we do with all Kundalini Kriya's meditation, with the Adi mantra. This is Om Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the teacher within. I bow and connect to the divine wisdom within. If you know it, say it with me. If not, you can just keep your eyes closed and listen to the mantra to connect and tune in before we meditate. Bringing our hands together, creating some friction. Our thumbs come to the center of our chest. And closing our eyes, gazing at the third eye between the brows. Deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out. Deeply inhale. Exhale out. Deep inhale to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Deep inhale. Exhale out. And getting in a position, sit bones rooted in the earth, easy pose. Left arm comes up, right arm comes over, just like so. right in center, slight neck lock. And all we're going to be doing is deep, long breathing, controlling our posture, arms of steel, spine straight, chin slightly tucked down, opening up the spine a little bit more, and we are just holding here in this position. Try to seal your lips, inhaling and exhaling only through the nose. Closing the eyes, gazing at the third eye between the brows. Just control your breathing pattern. On the inhale through the nose, the navel expands. You lift the chest, lift the heart. Suspend the breath for a second. Exhale out the nose. Lower the heart. Lower the chest. Belly button comes into the spine. We'll do one more together. Deep inhale through the nose. Expand the belly. Lift the chest. Lift the heart. Suspend the breath. Exhale, lower the chest. Belly button to spine. Exhale everything out. Keeping the eyes closed, gazing at the third eye between the brow. Your shoulders will start to shake. This is where we're moving through blockages. This is what you're here for. This specific Kriya to refocus, to engage mental clarity, to dissipate all the blockages that are going on in our mind. Controlling your breath, keeping your spine straight. Controlling this reactive mind and our obsessive sensations. Hold strong. You're going to want to put your arms down, but that's not what we're here for. We're here to push through. We're here to create transformation from within. And deep inhale, holding and squeezing, engaging root lock, the pelvic floor, belly button to spine. Hold, exhale everything out. One more, deep inhale, holding the position, squeezing the pelvic floor, belly button to spine, hold tight. exhale everything out. Lowering the arms, bringing the hands in Gyan mudra, so the index fingers touching the thumbs, the other 3 fingers out, resting them on the knees, and we just hold here for a few minutes, just letting the pranic energy of that Kriya flow through our body. Gyan mudra, once again, Jupiter finger, index finger to thumb. Other 3 fingers are straight out. This is a mudra for knowledge and expansion. Keeping them rested on the knees. Keeping your eyes closed, gazing at the third eye, between the brows. Keep the spine lengthened, sit bones rooted in the earth. Crown chakra, top of the head, to the heavens. Soften your breath, but controlled. With the inhale through the nose, and the exhale out. And deep inhale through the nose. Exhale everything out. Engage Mulla Banda, squeezing the pelvic floor, belly button to spine, holding tight. And deep inhale. Exhale everything out. Engage Mulla Banda, squeezing the pelvic floor, belly button to spine. One more time, deep inhale. And exhale everything out, engaging Mulla Banda, squeezing the pelvic floor, belly button to spine. And relax. Bringing the hands together in the prayer pose. Thumbs to the sternum, elbows out. We close this practice with Sat Nam. Truth is my essence, truth is my identity. Deep inhale to close. Sat Nam.
Sat Nam.
Thank you for joining me with the powerful Kundalini Kriya for mental focus and clarity. Yeah, that's just a powerful one. You can do that one for 40 days straight to really make an internal change and transformation. It takes 40 days to really let that sink in and make a permanent change. So if you resonated with that one and you felt good, I hope you did. That's one you can do consistently. So I'll see you next time for the outdoor body meditations in the wild in places like Nepal and around the world. But remember, it's all about consistency. Doing this, focusing on your mental and physical practice each and every day. Namaste from Nepal.